तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? ये कैसे संभव है? How is this possible? How is this possible? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? तुम्हारी तबीयत कैसी है? How is your health? How is your health? क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? मुझे मत छोड़ो. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. मुझे ये पसंद है. I like this. I like this. तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? क्या तुम समझे? Did you understand? Did you understand? ये बहुत कठिन है. This is very difficult. This is very difficult. तुमने अच्छा काम किया. You did a good job. You did a good job. तुम कितना कमा रहे हो? How much are you earning? How much are you earning? ये बहुत सुंदर है. This is very beautiful. This is very beautiful. मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए. I need some time. I need some time. तुम कब लौटोगे? When will you return? When will you return? तुम कौन हो? Who are you? Who are you? मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. तुम बहुत मजाकिया हो. You are very funny. You are very funny. क्या ये सच है? Is this true? Is this true? तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. तुम्हें किसकी तलाश है? Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for? क्या तुम्हें पता है? Do you know? Do you know? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूं? Can I come in? Can I come in? क्या तुमने सुना? Did you hear? Did you hear? तुम्हें कहीं जाना है? Where do you need to go? Where do you need to go? तुम बहुत बदल गए हो. You have changed a lot. You have changed a lot. मुझे तुम्हारी याद आती है. I miss you. I miss you. क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? ये कौन है? हु इज दिस? हु इज दिस? तुम कितने साल के हो? हाउ ओल्ड आर यू? हाउ ओल्ड आर यू? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? व्हाट डू यू नीड? व्हाट डू यू नीड? मुझे नहीं पता। आई डोंट नो। आई डोंट नो। तुम कब से यहां हो? हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन हेयर? हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन हेयर? क्या मैं सही हूं? एम आई राइट? एम आई राइट? तुमने कब सोचा था? When did you think? When did you think? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? तुम्हारा दिन कैसा था? How was your day? How was your day? मुझे अभी काम करना है। I need to work now. I need to work now. तुमने ये कहाँ सीखा? Where did you learn this? Where did you learn this? मुझे जवाब दो। आंसर मी। आंसर मी। क्या तुम सच बोल रहे हो? आर यू टेलिंग द ट्रूथ? आर यू टेलिंग द ट्रूथ? तुम्हें क्या लगता है? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? क्या तुम मुझसे खुश हो? आर यू हैप्पी विद मी? आर यू हैप्पी विद मी? तुमने कब खाना खाया? When did you eat? When did you eat? तुम कहाँ जा रहे थे? Where were you going? Where were you going? तुम्हें किस चीज की जरूरत है? What do you need? What do you need? तुम किसके साथ हो? Who are you with? Who are you with? ये बहुत महंगा है। This is very expensive. This is very expensive. तुमने कितनी देर इंतजार किया? How long did you wait? How long did you wait? मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा। I can't believe it. I can't believe it. तुम्हारी छुट्टियां कैसी रही? How were your holidays? How were your holidays? तुम्हें ये कब मिला? When did you get this? When did you get this? क्या ये सच में काम करता है? Does it really work? Does it really work? तुम्हें किसकी याद आ रही है? Who are you missing? Who are you missing? तुम्हारे पास कितना समय है? How much time do you have? How much time do you have? क्या तुमने अपनी गलती मानी? डिड यू एडमिट यूर मिस्टेक? डिड यू एडमिट यूर मिस्टेक? तुमने मुझे कब बुलाया था? When did you call me? When did you call me? क्या तुम सच में ऐसा सोचते हो? Do you really think that? Do you really think that? तुम यहां कब आए? When did you come here? When did you come here? तुम क्या खरीदना चाहते हो? What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? मुझे तुम्हारा जवाब चाहिए. I need your answer. I need your answer. तुम्हारा अगला कदम क्या है? What's your next step? What's your next step? तुम किसकी बात कर रहे हो? Who are you talking about? Who are you talking about? तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? तुम कितने दिनों के लिए जा रहे हो? How many days are you going for? How many days are you going for? क्या तुम सच में मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you really angry with me? Are you really angry with me? तुमने ये कहां से लिया? Where did you get this? Where did you get this? क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क किया? Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework? मुझे तुम्हारी बात समझ नहीं आई. I did not understand your point. I did not understand your point. क्या तुम इसे दोबारा कह सकते हो? Can you say that again? Can you say that again? तुम्हें यह पसंद आया? Did you like it? Did you like it? तुम आज कहां गए थे? Where did you go today? Where did you go today? तुम कब वापस आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? क्या तुमने मेरी बात सुनी? Did you listen to me? Did you listen to me? तुम्हें ये कैसे मिला? How did you get this? How did you get this? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आ सकते हो? Can you come with me? Can you come with me? तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? क्या तुम अब ठीक हो? Are you okay now? Are you okay now? तुम कितने बजे सोए थे? What time did you sleep? What time did you sleep? तुमने ये किससे सीखा? From whom did you learn this? From whom did you learn this? तुमने कितने पैसे खर्च किए? How much money did you spend? How much money did you spend? तुमने कब शुरुआत की? When did you start? When did you start? क्या तुमने खाना बनाया था? Did you cook the food? Did you cook the food? तुमने उसे कैसे ढूंढा? How did you find him? How did you find him? क्या तुमने उसे पैसे दिए थे? Did you give him the money? Did you give him the money? तुमने कहाँ यात्रा की थी? Where did you travel? Where did you travel? क्या तुमने इसे खोला था? Did you open this? Did you open this? तुमने उसे क्यों छोड़ा? Why did you leave her? Why did you leave her? क्या तुम इसे कर सकते हो? Can you do this? Can you do this? तुमने अपना सामान कहाँ रखा? Where did you keep your things? Where did you keep your things? क्या तुमने उसे रोका था? Did you stop him? Did you stop him? क्या तुमने इसके बारे में सोचा? Did you think about it? Did you think about it? तुमने उसे क्यों जाने दिया? Why did you let him go? Why did you let him go? तुमने कितनी बार कहा था? How many times did you say? How many times did you say?